Hello there, my name is Squalo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video let's talk about whether it makes sense to buy the brand new Luna tokens once they are actually released. And also we're going to talk about the current revival plan and what's going on with the vote, etc. and all that you need to know when it comes to the current Luna situation. And yeah. So if you're brand new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload, because you need to watch those videos as soon as they come out and you have to watch them from the beginning and until the end if you want to get any value out of them. And certainly there is also a link to my free Telegram channel down in the description of this video, and that's where I post a lot faster usually than on YouTube. It's a lot easier for me to send the text in Telegram than on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into Luna. So we are currently seeing that this is this current Luna token, that we had this small pump going up right here and then we're just going slowly down, down, down. So now the big question is, what's going on? We all know that Doc 1 has proposed this updated and final plan to create brand new Luna, basically to fork the network, to create the old Luna Classic, and then distribute 1 billion tokens in this way. And then basically the pre-attack USD holder is going to get 10%, post-Luna holder is going to 10%, whatever. And there's a lot of speculation and controversy involved with this. A lot of people are unhappy, and especially that there's going to be even if you're a current Luna holder and for example you bought it, bought the dip, like so many people who wanted to become millionaires out of nothing, and basically you're gonna get your 15% unlocked at Genesis, so basically right away, but then the rest of 85% of tokens that you're gonna get from the allocation from the airdrop itself is going to be vested over 2 years thereafter with 6 months cliff. So you're not gonna get your Luna replacements very fast, but nonetheless. Okay, so big question now, what's going on with the vote? Because this is decentralized, and the community has to actually vote to whether push this proposal forward and actually fork the network. So in this instance, not this one, let's go to right here, and you'll find some breaking news saying that Luna holders may veto the live vote to fork the Terra network. And basically at the time of writing of this article, and it was written like 3-4 hours ago, at the time of writing there are 116 million votes for yes, and a lot of people, by the way, are saying that these are fake votes because the preliminary vote showed that the vast majority of people actually did not like the idea of forking of the network. So who knows, let me know down in the comments if you think that these votes are actually fake. Might be, I don't know, it's all just a shady situation. It's just getting shadier and shadier, so just be very careful. And then 30 million votes for no with veto, and the proposal needs another 2 million votes for a quorum to be achieved, so whether to pass it or not. And jumping a little bit ahead, we'll see that currently we already have 43% of votes, and for yes we have 130 million as of right now. So it was just a few hours ago, and so extra 14 million for yes. And actually it also said that 30 million voted for no with veto, and it actually currently went down to 27 million. So that's quite interesting. People are changing their mind, or it's all just another manipulation. I don't know, it's weird. But anyway, and currently it also says that currently the no with veto, blah, blah, blah. And yes, the rules stipulate that if 33% of the votes are going to be for the veto, to veto the proposal, it will not pass. But to be honest, as we're seeing this right now, that path threshold, as you can see, so no with veto is only 16%, and we need 33, so twice as much here is what's required. Again, we have a lot of validators that did not vote just yet, and they have substantial voting power, so maybe the scales will tip, but as of right now, a huge question, but it seems like it's gonna pass, and we're gonna see brand new Luna, and then the old Luna is gonna be called Luna Classic. Now, the big question of this video, and of course, if you want to be buying or trading or selling Luna, whatever, then you can do it on Bybit, and with my exclusive link, which you can find in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, you can use that link, click on it, register an account, a new account, or if you're brand new to Bybit or an existing Bybit customer as well, and go to Rewards Hub, deposit money. So make an initial deposit that you would like, and you can get up to $4,100 in free bonuses of real cash that you can use for trading on top of your initial deposit, and a 0% maker fees for the first 30 days, which is insane and is super awesome. Now back to the topic. It's a huge question whether, a lot of people are sending me messages on Twitter, and by the way, follow me on Twitter, just a verified account, and saying, Thomas, once the brand new Luna comes out, should I buy it? Is Luna gonna go to the moon, and etc.? And to be honest, once again, I've mentioned this before on social media, saying that with everything that they've laid out in their revival plan, basically what they want to do is they want to salvage it. So they want to remove this from their ecosystem. They want to remove the stable coin and then just salvage everything else. As they said, that they have so many other stuff in this ecosystem that it's actually worth salvaging, and that it's going to have value even without the stable coin itself, which in my opinion, certainly they're right, but I still think that 90% of the value was the stablecoin. So we're going to be betting on just 10% of the value. And also we have to understand the diminished reputation and just safety concerns and just overall nastiness and shadiness of the current situation, and we still don't know where the hell all the money is. So for that reason, I would be, as a professional investor, I would be very reluctant to invest any money, for example, in my hedge fund. I would be very reluctant to put any money into brand new Luna. However, and this is worth noting, and let me know down in the comments if you agree with me or not. And by the way, like the video, would be very much appreciated. But if you don't want to like it, still enjoy this awesome content. But from the other hand, it's going to be an interesting gamble to actually buy some brand new Luna, because guess what? They still have an insane huge community, and everybody understands that. So there still is, of course, some people are devastated and upset, and they're going to leave this whole Luna bullcrap, etc. But there is still going to be a huge community of people who are going to believe that it's going to pump, at least in the short-term perspective, based on what I'm saying right now. That is going to be a lot of people who think in the same way that it's going to pump. So it's going to be just a meme coin style of a pump. So if you're into short-term, high-risk, speculative gambling, then you could certainly put some money into brand new Luna. But I wouldn't really be, betting on it in terms of its long-term value and sustainability. So let me know down in the comments if you agree with me, and let me know if you've enjoyed this video. And as always, if you want to become one of my students at tomscrawler.com and join one of my full-time certified and accredited trading learning programs to learn how to become a professional trader as well as investor, and then welcome to join. And down in the description as well as in the pinned comment, there's going to be a nice extra discount for you on that to save some money. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.